Hello everyone, welcome to Focal Point. This is the question that was asked in GATE 2016 and let's see what will be the output of it. So what we are going to do in here, we have included our standard input output header file, and after that this function is given and this is our main function. Okay, so I have called our main function in this stack area, and these are four variables a, b, c, d defined and initialized. Okay, in here, so I have defined and initialized with 2016 0 4 and 42, okay, respectively. These are the values, and I have assumed that the address of a is 1000, b is 2000, c is 3000, and d is 4000. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to call over this mystery function. Okay, so this is our mystery function. This is our mystery function, and we have called with the value 1000 and 2000 because address of one a and b is passed in here. So 1000 2000 is passed in here. So what is the definition of this mystery function? We have to take ptra and ptrb. These two pointers are taken. So 1000 will be copied in ptra and 2000 will be copied in this ptrb. Okay, now we are going to take a temp pointer, and what we are going to do, we are storing the value of this ptrb, that is 2000, inside the temp. Okay, so 2000 will be stored in the temp. So what is the next statement? Ptra will be stored inside ptrb. Okay, so in the ptrb 1000 will be stored, and after that pt in ptra temp will be stored. Okay, so what is happening in here, we are swapping these values. Okay, 2000 will be here, 1000 is here. This kind of swapping is not causing any effect inside the original these values. Okay, now this was the last line. After that this mystery function will be popped out from the memory. Okay, and we came back to our main function. After that this condition is checking. So a value is 2016, c value is 4. Okay, so this is wrong condition, and that's why it will not enter into the if condition. It will execute this line of code. Again we are going to call over mystery function. Okay, so what values are passed in here? So address of a, that is 1000, and address of d, that is 4000, is passed. Okay, again what we are going to do, again we are going to take our ptra value in here, that is 1000, and ptr b value 4000 in here, and a temp value will be taken in here, ptr, and it will store the value of ptrb, that is 4000. Again what will be happening, this will be 4000 and this will be 1000. Okay, this kind of swapping is not causing any effect inside the original values. Again we are in the last line. After that our this function will be popped out from the memory. Again we are in here, and we are going to print the value of a. Okay, so that kind of swapping is not causing any kind of effect in the original values, and that's why what value will be printed in here, 2016 will be printed. So answer of this question is 2016. So a will be the correct answer of it. Okay, so this is the correct answer. So thank you so much. We will see in the next video.